So, another major controversy is now surrounding CBSE Class 12 evaluation. After results, many students downloaded their scanned answer sheet, and what they saw shocked them. Some answer sheets appeared blurred and difficult to read. One student even claimed, "This is not my copy." The issue went viral on social media after students started posting screenshots of unclear PDFs and mismatched handwriting. Later, CBSE acknowledged one physics answer sheet mismatch case and provided the correct copy to the student. At the same time, students are also complaining about portal crashes, payment failures, login issues, and confusion during re evaluation. Many are now questioning the new on screen marking system, also called as OSM. Students are asking, if we cannot clearly read the copy, then how was it evaluated? CBSE has clarified that actual evaluation portal was not hacked and their live marking system remains secure. But the controversy has already triggered panic among students and parents across the country. This is becoming one of the biggest CBSE evaluation debate in recent years. So whatever may be the cause, the students and parents are under panic. So what do you think? The CBSE should rethink about these kinds of evaluation and come back to their original format. What is your thought? Please share your thought in the comment box and share this with every parent so that they can understand and take the proper action. Thank you.